This is not what it seems like. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my hygiene products that I am currently using. Also, this is not what it seems like. I didn't order a bunch of stuff just to show you guys. First off, I'm going to start off with the face. Well, in general, doing a hygiene video, I feel like you would start off with your hair, right? But I'm not doing the hair today. We're going to start off with face. So you guys might have seen these in my previous videos. I found that these work really well for my skin. The La Roche-Posay face wash and moisturizer. The first time I wanted to get this, I didn't. It was a CVS dupe thing. At least I think that's what it was, because it wasn't this one. I later got the real La Roche-Posay face wash and the triple repair moisturizing cream, and I must say these two things work really well for my skin. Like, it's really lightweight on my face, like on my skin in general. I love that for me. So even though they're quite expensive, I genuinely like this product and I feel like it is worth the money. I would continue purchasing these, and it lasts you a good amount of time, depends on how you use it. Love these. And I generally don't like repurchasing stuff. It's not that I don't like repurchasing stuff, but it's just that I prefer to try different things every time, and the fact that I went ahead and purchased these says a lot. Next thing I'm showing you guys that you might have seen. You guys might have seen this in some of my videos as well. Like, I feel like I show these things a lot. This is the Ordinary Glycolic Acid 7% exfoliating toner. Oh my goodness, I literally bought a toner. I use this at nighttime mostly. It says it's a daily AHA toner to improve skin texture and tone and the luminosity. The next thing that I use is this. So this is a piercing aftercare spray, because I got fresh piercings, like my nose piercing and my belly button piercing. Like, I really didn't want those keyword things coming up on my face, so I was like, I'm gonna get an aftercare spray. When I got my ear piercings, I didn't use an aftercare spray. I used to use alcohol, which you're not supposed to do because that dries out your skin and something. I don't remember exactly, but it's not good to use alcohol on your piercings. It's best to use like a saline solution or aftercare solution or whatever. So moving on to like full body care, I use this in the shower, and the only reason I got this is because I remember one time it was being hyped, like it was a trend or something. It's not a trend, but this was really hyped at one time. Like, everybody was using it and whatever. And honestly, I don't think I'd ever get this again, because it's nice, but it's just not. I don't think I'd get it again though. Next thing is this. This is empty, but oh my gosh, I love this so much. To make it worse, I love vanilla stuff. So, oh my gosh, I need to get another one, but unfortunately I did not get another one. However, I will be buying this again because this smells so good. It's so lightweight on your skin. The only thing is, I feel like they don't put enough in the bottle. Like, I feel like they probably halved it or something. It finished too quick. Next thing is my Dove deodorant. Let me just give you guys a little TMI. I have like really strong underarm body odor. Like, I have to ensure that I use deodorant, because if I do not, I'll green. So I have been for years trying to find a deodorant that works for me. None of them really sticks. Like, it's like they don't really work for me. I tried the Lady Speed Stick, I tried the Arm and Hammer, I tried other ones and other ones and other ones, and it just don't work. And I tried the spray ones, those kind of work for a good amount of time, and then it's like they stop work. I tried this Dove deodorant. It was in a different packaging the last time I bought it. I'm hoping it's the same thing. I need to go through my Amazon list and make sure that I ordered the same thing, but I believe it's this one. I tried this one. This is the Dove Invisible Sheer Cool, and I feel like this kind of helps me. Like, it don't stay on for too long, but it's more effective for me. So I am just gonna stick to this one until it doesn't work anymore and it's time for me to find a new deodorant. And I bought this body oil. This is the first thing that I'm ever using from Aveeno. It basically does what it's called, is an oil, so it's gonna make you oily. But overall, I love it. It's really good. Yeah, like, I don't have anything really bad to say about it. Moving on to the Amazon packages. So when I was younger, I had this, I don't even know what to call it, but my skin was allergic to something. I think they said it was dirt or something. Like, I don't know, I really don't know, but I used to get breakouts on my skin like constantly, and it just left my skin in shambles, especially my legs. That I'm older and whatever, I have been trying to find ways to just get rid of the spots that are on my skin. I was doing some research and ChatGPT recommended that I get a amlactin lotion. Anyways, you know, you're not supposed to like make AI diagnose you of anything or whatever. Go to the doctor and let the doctor tell you what is what and whatever. Do not follow me. I got this amlactin lotion from Amazon in hopes that it can help me fade my dark spots. Even though I don't know, like, I don't know if they can really like get faded like that because they're like really old scars or spots or whatever. They're not scars. Well, man, I don't know if they can really get faded like that. I'm still trying to just be the best version of myself. So even if them can't get faded, at least I know that I tried. So I've never tried this before. This is the Amlactin Daily Nourish Lotion for normal to dry skin. It says it softens and smooths skin, gentle, no scrub exfoliation, lactic acid plus hydrate, lightweight, fast absorbing, and it's fragrance free. Even though it says fragrance free, I was reading the reviews on Amazon and they said that it stinks. So let's see. Ugh, wait. Yeah, kind of a not so nice smell about it, but so I'm gonna try this out. I do not know if it works. I'll let you guys know if it works. Moving on to box number 2. This is so heavy. Shit, I'm gonna drop. I told myself that I was never buying any more of these lotions because the last time I bought a lotion from them, the thing was not working. Like, the pump was not working, but this is so dirty. Why is it dirty? Anywho, I got this EOS body lotion. Which one is this? This one is the Fresh Plus Cozy. I got a different scented one the last time. I don't remember what it was, but I just know that I got a different one the last time. And I'm excited to try it because I feel like their stuff smells really good. Even though I haven't smelled all of them, but I feel like they have really good smelling stuff. Yeah, I don't like this one. It does not smell bad, but I don't. The other one smelled so much better, so I was expecting the same thing, I guess. But my nose is still not really working properly, but I can smell. Can go on. It's not bad. Okay, so the next thing I got is this hydrating toner. And the reason I got this is because it was like really affordable. However, like, I don't know why I'm buying toners. Like, I mean, I guess it helps with like removing dirt or dead skin, but it's like I don't need any toner. This is a toner. I literally did not remember about this. And besides, I don't use this during the daytime, so that's probably why. But I am gonna try this out. This was just $5, which is really pretty damn affordable. So it says it softens, conditions, plus this toner with rose water soothes and moisturizes skin as it cleanses and refines pores. Okay, we're gonna be trying this. I also got this. Now that you guys can see what it is, but I love the packaging. This package really nice. I love that. Okay, so I got this Dr. Bronner's Baby Unscented soap. So I usually get the soap bars in this same scent, but I decided to get the liquid version this time. I don't know if it will last longer. It probably won't last longer because this is liquid. Hopefully it lasts way longer than the soap bars. I just wanted to try the body wash to see what I don't think there's a difference, but we'll see like if this lasts longer than the soap bars. And I love the soap bars. It's just like, as it says, it's unscented, and like they have different ones, of course, but I usually get the unscented. Yes, as it says, it's unscented and everything, and when you bathe with the soap bars, you just feel so clean. You feel squeaky clean. I love that for me. And I have to also be careful with what I shower with. My pH is easy to throw off, so I need to like, you know. Ugh. Oh my gosh, oh my goodness. This is so heavy. How much water is it? How big them be? Oh my gosh. Guys, these are so much bigger than I thought. No wonder it's so heavy. These are so much bigger than I thought they would be. It's crazy. I thought they would be like a regular size, but this is huge. Anyways, these are the last two items that I have. Yeah, I don't need to show you guys both of them because they're the same thing. But yeah, I got some mouthwash so I can hopefully add it to taking care of like more oral care. I'm scared of anything that has to do with my mouth. That's not the reason I bought these. The reason I bought these is because like I'm trying to like not have rotten teeth and sores in my mouth. And I get anyway. I don't know why I'm explaining to you guys why I got mouthwash. It's just basic hygiene.